Day 2, part 2. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. I'm excited. I'm excited to play with some maths and some algorithms. What did I just do? I didn't even say anything. What the hell is wrong with me? I'm just gonna post it. Sorry, I took a little break. All right. Good deal. Wait, is the chat instance? There's a new chat instance for every stream? Oh, this is not like Twitch at all. Let's see, it's using the ID. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. What am I saying? Hello. Sailor's back. Bro Yojo? That's funny. Got ad? Damn, I'm making money off this? Algorithm's cool. Are you using Unity for the experience? Yes, I'm using Unity. There was something I was gonna do. I was gonna post to Discord before I got started real quick. By the way, if you haven't joined the Discord, you should enlist in the JPB. Go to Jabrils.com. You can't miss it. Currently working on CAD architect project. That sounds fun. That sounds really fun. Excuse me. What's the CAD project you're working on? Oh, since this is the start of the stream, I need to say this as soon as possible. This is part 2. You might be a little confused if you weren't there for part 1. Go back and watch part 1. It's listed top of the description. I don't think it's that long, so you should be able to get caught up pretty quickly. And then you can come back here, or you can watch the VOD later. I won't judge you either way. Ranch floor plan. Oh, you're talking. Oh, you're talking like real architecture. CAD. Anytime I hear CAD, I think like, oh, I'm making a little toothbrush holder for my for my toothbrush using my 3D printer. Well, you're talking like real CAD. That's what's up. Yo, Chucky, what's your thoughts on how like 3D printing has like completely co-opted CAD? I'm pretty sure if you were to ask most people like their thoughts and perspective on CAD, it'd be like little small useless things. Is that a 3D printer in the background? Well, yes, it is. I have the Bamboo X1 Carbon, and then you can't see them, but I have two Prusas over here. I have a lot of 3D printers that I barely use, but I like the idea of being able to use them. Shouts. My King Outer Cloud is back. If you love working on physical projects and you have a 3D printer, it's like super cool to make whatever. Yeah, I love that part. As for your mini robots, yo, shouts. He's seen better days. With shouts to the boy Chai. He's coming back. Don't worry, he will be back. Shout out to Chai. Yo, you want to see Chai's innards? I don't know if I think I showed in the video, but yeah, a little Raspberry Pi action with a speaker and microphone, all that stuff. I like seeing you work with the AI stuff. It's refreshing to see you making your own without relying so much on other AI. Yeah, fair enough. I will say though, don't feel ashamed for using other AI. Like AI is really expensive, time wise, compute wise. Like don't ever feel ashamed if you have to use someone else's stuff. Maybe an LM that continuously makes new and interesting 3D objects all day. Yeah, I've thought about making a video on that, but then every time I go to like figure out the logistics, it just seems like such a boring like story to tell. But maybe someday. What happened after the fire? Long story short, my old apartment caught on fire, and then my car was totaled, and they did, I don't know, a lot of money in damages, maybe like 50, 60, $70,000 in damage, something like that. And then I wasn't at fault. However, they were like pressuring me to move my car, my burnt total car, and I was trying to figure out the best possible scenario for me regarding the car, because there's still parts in there that I could have like sold and all that stuff. But they're like pressuring me like a couple of weeks after, like, hey, we need you to move it ASAP. And I'm like, I don't have anywhere to move it. And I thought that was a little messed up, but we came to an agreement that they would pay for the towing. So, but they never paid it. They never paid it. But anyways, and then I moved out because then they raised my rent actually after that. While the entire apartment complex was still like burnt and I almost cursed there, and smelled like smoke and ash. They're like, yeah, we're gonna increase your rent by like 50%. It's like, what? So I left. Any thoughts on drug discovery with AI? Yeah, I think that's one of the best use cases for AI at the moment is drug discovery. Part of the reason why we're able to get the vaccines to work as effectively as they did during the pandemic was due to AI innovations. I don't know too much about it, but I know that it played a huge part in some of the vaccines being accelerated during the pandemic. We need some Chai commentary in the next video. Shouts to Chai. Excuse me. Okay, let's get back into it. If I want to get into coding AI and haven't done any programming yet, what would you recommend starting with? I always recommend starting with Markov chains. Markov chains are incredibly fun, incredibly easy to understand, and I think they're exciting to watch them just like create. Look into Markov chains. They're not that difficult. Start with Markov chains. At some point, if you continue with Markov chains, you'll hit a point where you realize like, okay, I can't store all this data. I can't store this model in one spot. I need something better. That's going to be neural networks. It's going to be a natural evolution to the next step. If not that, I would recommend a really simple classifier, like a color classifier. That's like a Hello World. It used to be a Hello World project way back in the days, where you would input a color and it will output dark or light, like as a background for any color. That's a fun one as well. Where do you think the future of quantum computing will get us? I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea. I think that trust with tech companies, over the years has gotten like less and less and less. Like if Google comes out and says that they've claimed quantum supremacy, it's like, can I really trust that they really did this versus just speaking to investors trying to increase their profits? Like, who knows? I have no idea. What is the purpose of your AI experiments? Great question. Let's segue into what we're doing today. I'm not gonna go through all of it. Watch part 1 if you want the full rundown, but I am gonna quickly go over what we're gonna get into right now. So yesterday's stream, so first off, of the goal. The goal is I have this toy. And this is a physical version of what's on screen right now. It's the Sanjigan. It's called Sanjigan. It's 3D tic-tac-toe board. Essentially, you want to do is you want to score 3 in a row, 3 times on the board. They have to be lines, right? And what I want to do is I want to figure out if this game is solved or not, because at the moment I have no idea. But I can't. It's really difficult to do that without an AI to play against, because I can play. I can try and play against myself a million times, but I'm making both moves, so it's hard to like be unpredictable. So the objective is to create an AI that either I can play against or can play against itself, and then train it to get good enough, or as we were doing yesterday, was trying to figure out a heuristic or rule set that is the most optimal, um, so that we can figure out if player one wins every single time. That's what solved means. A solved game means that it's possible for, if both players are playing optimally, you can draw it at the end of the game. I'm not sure if that's possible at the moment. So that is what we're going to continue doing. Yesterday we left off with this heuristic where you essentially evaluate a position on the board. Say that this is a position 1, right? If we want to evaluate as turn yellow, if we place one here, would that be good? Would it be bad? Like what would it do? And we create this heuristic where essentially we just evaluate every single line that this position touches. Excuse me. It touches this line A here on the top side. It touches line B here going across, and touches line C going down. And if we simply just go, every peg on that line that is mine is +1, any peg that's the opponent's -1, we can extrapolate that out. Line A has no pegs whatsoever, so that's 0 + 0 + 0. Line B has 1 of mine, 1 of the opponent, that's 1 - 1, 0. And then C has 1 of mine, which is 0 + 0 + 1, so that's 1. We can take the average of these 3 scores, and we have 0.33 as the value of position 1, right? And just because you need delta, we then can assess position 5 here on this corner. We have line, what is going on in my throat? Excuse me, I'm so sorry. D, E, and F on this backside. Doing the same thing. D is 0 + 0 + 0, that's 0. E is -1 plus -1, that's -2, and then F is 0 + 0 + 0. And then we take the average of all 3 of these scores, and then we'll get -0.66, right? And then what we decided is that you can take the absolute value of the negatives. Otherwise, anything that has an opponent's piece on it will always tell you that's a bad move. That's not necessarily true. Sometimes you want to block. And so if we take the absolute value, it'd be 0.66. And so just evaluating these 2 positions, 1 versus 5, it would say that position, playing yellow at position 5 is the better move to do. Playing this here would be the better move to do because you would block your opponent. That makes sense. That makes sense. However, the stream ended, and someone who watched the stream and is on the Discord, if you're not on the Discord, go to jabrils.com and join, enlist in the JPB today, point out this really interesting edge case that we did not go over, which is what happens at the start of the game, right? Say that you are player blue, and your opponent's player yellow, and they went first. They placed one here. Using the same heuristic, what happens, right? What happens is that any line that's touching this, where this peg is valued more than lines that aren't touching this peg. Oh, I just realized this would have 2 values. Or would it have 2 values? Oh, wait, I have to first assess a position. That's where I'm messing up. So if we assess this position here at the bottom middle versus this position here, this will be 0.33 and this will be 0. But is that true? I don't think that's necessarily true because it doesn't take into account trying to set up future moves. So let me give credit. I always forget the name. Stith pointed this out in Discord. Very, very astute observation. And right now, what we're going to get into is trying to figure out how we can fix this, if we can. We're not going to spend too much time trying to do that because we don't know how important it is, but it should be a little fun. I'm getting caught up on chat now. Neat. I see this will be a mobile game as well. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where it's going to live at the moment. That's a thought for a little later down the line. Preda, shouts to Preda. I just woke up and now you're trying to make me dizzy with your face cam. What can I say, man? You need a little excitement in your life, you know? Can you explain a little about the Markov chains and how they work? Not right now. This is not that stream, but go check out Wikipedia. It's not that difficult to understand. There's a plethora of really good YouTube videos. Um, yeah, I can't do that at this moment, but maybe at the end of the stream, maybe. Remind me. 5 should be the highest and next move to block the opponent. Right, Curtis. Yes, correct. For this scenario, right? But the question is, would you ever even get there if this is the starting state? That's the question. And so, moving right along, have you thought of making an AI program that can show you futuristic designs of anything in your house or man cave? I actually did think about that. I had this idea of making it was the title idea for the video was something like I I forced AI to generate patent ideas and then stole it or something like that. Um, yeah. Why is this problematic? Doing this blocks the line for the opponent, so the second player is always on defense. No, Curtis, Bubby, hear me out, okay? You are correct. This is not problematic. This is correct. I believe this is a really good move for yellow to do in response. So this heuristic, this calculation is saying that 5 is a better move. I'm pretty sure if we did all the math, 5 would be the best move for this scenario, right? That's a separate thing. So yes, that is optimal. However, this would be the starting state of the game, right? This would be the starting state of the game in which yellow goes first and now it's blue's turn. And then based on our algorithm, it's saying that your best interest is always to play a peg on a line that is touching um I'm sorry, what am I trying to say? This is saying that it's always best to place a peg on a line that has an opponent's peg being affected by it. That statement in itself could be true, specifically if we're talking about corners, right? However, there at the moment, there's no distinction between the corners and the edges, right? Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Whoops. Wait, hold on. I gotta move that back on screen. Uh, to give an example what I mean, first of all, this is an edge right here. This is a corner, right? So if we evaluate E, no, first let's evaluate C. Using the same equation, we evaluate C. We take, this is the line that that we're looking at. Well, it'd be a lot of lines actually. It'd be this line, it'd be this line, it'd be this line. I'm just gonna draw this out so I don't get a headache. So when we're evaluating C, it'll be this line, 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 and it'll be this backside line. And that should be all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. And then for E, it'll be, bear with me, Curtis, bear with me, okay? I small probability, I could be wrong, but I don't think so. So if we're evaluating E, it'd be this line, it'd be this line, it'd be this line, and that's it. Okay, so there's no distinction, meaning if we evaluate C first, we can simply do this math. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and then this is -1. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? Yeah, and that's -1. Okay. What I should do is I should. Yeah, yeah. You're gonna make me go all the way down. You're gonna make me. You're gonna make me. You're gonna make me go there, Curtis. You're gonna make me go there, Curtis. Fudge. I need something. I'm gonna go backwards. Z. I don't know my. I don't know my ABCs back. Z W X Y Z Y X W S. Okay. And then this one's R. This is important. This is important. This is important. You guys blame Curtis, okay? He's making me go there, okay? And then I'm gonna give this a H. I'm gonna give this a J. And then this line is gonna be T. Okay. Oh, the rat's awake. I'm leasing this office and there's rats in the walls. He like lives in the ceiling and he just woke up right now. I can hear him scurrying. I think he smells my food. Okay, so bear with me, okay? So what we do is we need to figure out why am I doing this on the with a mouse? Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm getting my tablet out. This will be much faster. Okay. Now we're back in it. What did I just do that for? Okay, guys, blame Curtis. Curtis is making me do that. Curtis is making me go there. Okay, so we have Z, we have S, W. That's too thick. That's way too thick. We have Z, X, W, Y, R, and S. Is that 6? And then over here we have 4 of them. We have T, we have H, we have J. We have 3 of them. Yeah, we have 3 of them. Okay. So, Curtis, I might be wrong. I might be wrong, Curtis. Hold on. Okay. Simply put, Z is 0. There's no pigs. Y is 0. Let's just do this. W is the only one that's -1. -1, the rest are 0. The rest are 0. Okay. And then T is -1. And then the rest are 0. Okay. Nope, I don't think that I'm wrong. Okay, so here's where the issue lies, right? So this is going to equal -1 over 3 absolute value. And this is going to equal -1 over 6 absolute value. Hopefully you can already see which one is a bigger number. This is going to be 0.33. And then what is that? That's going to be half of that. That's going to be like 16666, something like that. What is the math on that? 1 divided by 6. Yeah, 0.1666. Okay. So Curtis. So here's the issue, right? When we evaluate E, the value based on our current algorithm, our current heuristic, is 0.33 to play at E, or the edge. That's here. But when you evaluate the corner, the score is 0.66, 0.1666, right? That's here. And that does not seem optimal whatsoever. I mean, I played this game a lot, so I know that the corners are far more valuable for setting up future moves. And this is where our current heuristic falls apart. I need Curtis to reply before we can move on. Maybe don't divide. Just add them all. No, then you lose the relationship of all the you lose the relationship of all that it affects. Right? Let's just assume that also y is -1. No, wait, we need something that they both touch. Yeah, let's assume that y is -1. Let's see. Let's just see what happens. And I'm gonna say that it's -1 because there's a yellow pig there on that corner. Wait, but that doesn't work. Wait, let me just see what happens. Let me stop trying to do brain maths. So then H and, well, so this will be -2 now. This will be 0, 0. And then that would be -2, -2. Yeah, they'd be equivalent. Wait, what am I saying? That doesn't even work. That doesn't even work. You can't evaluate C if there's a pig there. Let's put it here. Let's put it here because they both share this one right here. Let's put it there, okay? So that means that X would be, we're still evaluating E and C. What's up, Tom Brady? Shouts Tom Brady. So that means X is -1. And then that means that H is also -1. H is also -1. Now they both have the same value. Once again, if we don't divide, I don't think that's correct. I don't think they share the same value. One affects the board far more than the other. But if we plug these in, this is -2/3. And this is, yeah, it's always going to be bigger. It's always going to be bigger. Which is not good. Yeah. Yeah, what happened to Tom Brady? Did he get banned? What happened there? Perhaps you need a second term that adds. Okay, so this is what I want to explore and find out. If we go back to the original idea, the original lazy idea, can this be the answer to our problem? God damn it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust these slightly. What if instead we simply just create like a base score for every single position that is determined by objectively how many lines that position affects, right? So we already know by memory that the corners here, the corners affect 3 lines. So this is going to be +3. Every corner is +3. Easy, 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 easy. Now the middle does 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. Is that correct? 1, 2. Why does it look like more than 4 lines? Am I tripping? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's 4. So then this would be +4, just right off the top. And then this one that we did +6, right? That touches 6 lines. Let me just double check real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, 6 lines plus 6. Okay. And this is objective. This is an objective truth. There's no, I mean, there is a little bias, but there's no like subjective bias. There's no serious subjective bias. They all share the same rule set in which we determine this number. So The question is, can we use this somehow to influence the heuristic? Instead of doing +1, we can use this map instead. What happens? What happens? Let's find out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one and we're gonna do a new. We're just gonna do a new. Just see what happens. Oh, God damn it! Come on. There we go. All right. What's your bets? What's your bets? Everyone, place your bets. Outer Cloud says sounds like a good idea. Why are messages being redacted? What is that? Is this like the YouTube filter or something? Outer Cloud bets that this is a good idea. What else? What are you guys thinking? What's your intuition telling you? Okay, so maybe I should move this. Actually, I'm gonna move this closer to. I'll move this closer to the map, so I don't have to memorize it. We need the Curtis opinion. Curtis, 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 Curtis. Curtis, we need you to speak. Address the nation, please. Okay, so this would be, instead of +1, this would be plus, nope, we're blue. This is -6. Okay, we're not off to a good start. We're not off to a good start. We're already not off to a good start. Let's just see what happens. -6. So let's evaluate a couple of positions. Let's do the same. Let's evaluate A here, and let's evaluate B here. Actually, let's do 3 of them. I'm gonna say B, then I'm gonna say shit. I'm gonna say B here. And I gotta do, okay. I got one that touches. I got one that's, I think the best thing to do, honestly, is probably go the complete opposite side so you could get to start on that board, but let's just start with A and B and see what happens. So we're evaluating position A. And so position A is going to be this line. Let's get a thicker line going. Thick. Wait. Thick. That's A. And then B is going to be 1, 2, 3. And I can't see most of them, but we know there's 3 other ones, okay? All right. Now, first evaluating A. How do we do that? I'm drawing a blank. Oh, right, because I need to label the lines. This is line 1, line 2, line 3. This is line 4, line 5, line 6. Actually, I have a better system. I have a more intuitive system. This is A1, this is A2, A3, and then as you can guess, this is B1, B2, B3. Okay. And then there's 3 other B's. There's B4, there's B5, and there's B6. Okay, now we can evaluate. So we have A1, we have A2, and then we have A3, and then we have B, make a little more space, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. What do they equal? A1 simply equals -6. Oof, that is quite the lean. Quite the lean. I think this is not going to work. A2 is 0, and then A3 is 0. Yeah, this is not looking good. And then these all are going to equal 0. We're like, we just did the same thing. It's just a bigger number. Oh wait, B2 actually is -6. I don't need to go any further. I already know that we're in the same position, predicament, just with bigger numbers. I have an idea. What if we add the position we're evaluating, we do the calculation based on how it would modify and not based on the current state. Maybe there's some salvation there. So we have to look into the, oof, fuck, I didn't mean to do all that. You're doing too much. Let's see. For context, this is so fun. I love doing stuff like this. And if you do too, come join the Discord, Jabrils.com, and listen to JPB today. Okay, so evaluating position A, right? If we're evaluating position A and we're blue, that would be +3. Okay, so if we add our +3, here. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Curtis, how you feeling? How you feeling about this one, Curtis? How you feeling about this one? So if we add a +3, this A1 becomes -3. A2 becomes 3. And then A3 becomes 3. Okay. We're missing just a little future prediction, I think. Curtis, where you at, Curtis? Okay. And so we can move on. Now we're evaluating position B. That'd be +6. So B2 would be 0 now. B3 would be 6. Oh my God. B1 would be 6. Oh my God. And then so would all the other ones. Oh my God. Curtis, what do you think? Is it not a masterpiece? I feel like it's too good. Let's finish this off. This is going to be 6 times 5. That's 30. Yeah, 30. Yeah, 30 divided by 6. And then this is going to be 3 divided by 3. That's going to be 1. And this is going to be, whoo boy, it's going to be 5. Right? Yeah. Why does it work out so well? That's kind of scary. It works out so well like that. All right, I'm gonna get caught up on chat. Let's see what you guys are. See what you guys are talking about. Come on, the position heuristic. It's a little too far back. I'm gonna start. Is my chat showing up? Yeah, it is. It is. I just like picking on you, Curtis. Curtis Silver approval. Not sure if he's in the zone. Legend Bros Cook. 6 games, but Edge overlaps. Do you consider the point system as pegs are inserted? Oh wow! Wait! Shadow Senior Dev. You beat me to the punch. You beat me to the punch. I didn't read your comment, but yeah. You got hit the nail on the head with that one. I think this looks really promising. This looks really promising. In fact, it's probably not worth our time, but I'm really curious what happens if we did it with the old method. No, I'm not going to do it. I think this makes sense. You have to bias because they're not all weighted. They're not all weighted the same. They're not all have the same value. You know, I'm not going to waste my time. But in this scenario, when you evaluate B versus A, it's saying that B is a far better position, which I think makes sense. It's still early game. It's a little future proofing. You get to have a better. But wait, I have a question. Hold on a second. So 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 look. See what I said above. Curtis. 3 in a row 3 times. Tic-tac-toe cube. Does that make sense? So the other point should gain the value of the peg. Oh. Shouts to y'all, man. Shouts to all y'all, right? Shouts to you all, okay? But really special shout outs to Curtis. Curtis! Priority, yes, priority list with random chance. Okay, look, I was going somewhere with this. The challenge with creating heuristics is always if it's the most optimal heuristic or not. I might be a little excited, but I feel like we might have landed on like the most optimal heuristic for this board. And the question is, if we did happen to do that, there is no need whatsoever to train an AI on this game. There's no need whatsoever. Because the idea behind training AI on a board like this would be for it to discover the most optimal heuristic. But if we just did that with our genius brains, there's no need. Now, push comes to shove, I'm going to have to implement this in the game and see if it actually is the most optimal heuristic. How I can go about judging that, I'm not really sure. But maybe I'm a little excited, but I feel good about this. I feel really good about this. And Curtis says he feels good about it too, so. Man, oh man. Shouts to everyone who beat me to the punch. Good deal. Let me get Outer Cloud. Are you still here? Let me get your opinion. Do you think we should go head first in with trying to implement this heuristic and see how it does, or do you think that we should jump over to Monte Carlo tree search? And I need a why. I need you to explain why. I need some opinions. So do one with the 2 pegs next to the other. All right, let me think. Okay, let's let Outer Cloud cook. You say this one, Curtis? Is what you're talking about? I think you mean this one. Sure, let's do this one. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to copy it. Okay. Here we go. This is a boss battle right here. Yeah, we're in it to win it though. We're in it to win it. Let me read your reply. I think since we have the heuristic figured out and we are hot on the topic right now, it's probably a good idea to try and implement it while it's fresh on your mind. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Word of the wise, Outer Cloud has spoken. Okay, but before we do that, I wanna make Curtis happy, all right? Curtis wants to see us do this one. So, just right off the bat, it's turn yellow. Excuse me, I have to sneeze. Oh, I have to sneeze. Nice. So this is a +6 right off the bat, +6. Wait, no, wait. Yellow's turn, so this is -6. Sorry, my laptop kind of borked out there. No! Goddamn application froze. Give me 1 second. Loading back up the application on my tablet. Next move here should be between the blue pegs. If the heuristic is right, it should be the highest. Let's find out. Let's see what happens. But before we find out, Curtis, if it suggests another move, would you think that maybe it knows something you don't know, or would you just think it's stupid? What are your thoughts? And anyone else, feel free to answer that question as well. Because remember, you have to score 3 in a row 3 times. Remember that. -6, -6, +6. Okay. So let's evaluate 2 positions. Let's make it difficult too. Let's evaluate, obviously we're going to evaluate position A. And then let's evaluate this backside here. Actually, let's evaluate this completely empty face right there. This corner. And let's see what it says. True, since it's not technically game ending. It's interesting to see if there's a strategy where you give up one line, but then end up being able to build multiple for yourself. Another move could theoretically be better. The heuristic doesn't tell you what's happening on the other side of the cube. No, it should. If you evaluate every position, it should. Like you have to evaluate every position. At least that's the hope. Let's find out what happens. We have one on the other side, so let's see what happens. So for position A, we have this line. I need that thicker. I'm sorry. I need it thick. We have this line. We have this line. And then we have this back line there, right? And then for position B, we have, oops, that's the wrong color. We have this line. We have this line. And then there's 4 more. There's going to be this line across the back. There's going to be this one across. And then there's going to be this one across. And then I'm missing one. Which one am I missing? I'm missing one. Oh, across this way on the back side. Okay. Let's find out. I'm excited. Is this exciting? Like, I don't know why this is so exciting. I love this. There's like very few people that I can share this like excitement with. We're just doing heuristic maths, and I'm glad that you guys are my people, okay? Okay, so this is A1. We'll say A2, A3. And this is B1. And then all the way going down, top to bottom, is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? I'm not about to write all that. So A1, A2, A3. And then just make sure it's all, let me get a little closer shot here for the stream. And then we have B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 equals. Okay. So what does A1 equal? A1 is going to equal -6 plus -6 plus, what is that? Let me refer to the map. +3. So -9. A1 is -9. And then we take the absolute value, so that's just going to be 9. No, we take the absolute value at the end. Does it matter? Does it matter? Does it really matter where we do the absolute value? One absolute value is better than multiple, so we'll do it at the end. -9. And then for A2, it's going to be 3. It's just going to be +3. And then for A3, it's going to be, again, +3. Interesting. Interesting. Hold your applause. Now let's do B1 is just going to be 6. It's going to be 6. But B2 is going to be 12. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's a big boy. And the rest are going to be 6. Except for, wait. Yeah, the rest is going to be 6. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? No, there's no competition. There's no competition. There's no competition. Do we even have to do the math? This is really simply, it's going to be 6. It's going to be -3/3. That's -1. It's the heuristic is saying, let that go. Let them score there. We still got this. We still got this. If that's true or not, I don't know. We have to simulate it, but that's what this is saying. Because this corner shot is setting us up for big money. Big money. What is this math? 12, 48. Oh, I'm sorry, 24, 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So this is 42 divided by 6. What is that? That's my quick maths are all gone. I've used calculator too much. I don't know. 7. That's 7 flat? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. It's all divisible by fucking 6. 7. Guys, I need some thoughts. I need some thoughts here. Our heuristic is saying, let them get that one little score. It's all good. We got this. We got this. If it's true or not, I don't know. But it's exciting. It's exciting that the most obvious answer to our feeble little human brains is like, oh yeah, we have to block. But the heuristic's like, nah. We can let them have that little point. We about to set up a 3-and-1. I think, quite honestly, oh, yes, corners will be favored. Is this toy some kind of virus simulation? 1 second. Would those lines be different if there were 2? Lion. No. So this is a toy that I was working on a few years ago. It's called Sanjikan. Here's the physical version of it. And it comes in this little case here. You open up the case to reveal 2 board pieces. It's blue versus yellow. Oh shit. And then you take it out and then you just plop it in there. Bada bing. Wait. Bada bing. And then you and your opponent, you play basically 3 in a row, 3 times. Camera, come on, camera. I should have probably I should have did that on this. I'm sorry. But yeah. I'm very excited. I'm amped up right now. I'm amped up, ready to go. Curtis makes a good point. Okay, let me read what Curtis was saying. Curtis says that would those lines be different if there were two other blue lines already completed? That's a good question. Uh, I'm torn between, do we do this math again, spend another like 10 minutes to do it, or do we just jump in the code and just try and get the answer? Can I do poll on here? Yeah, I'm gonna do a poll. I'm still doing a poll because I need a quick little breather. All right, poll incoming now. Vote, 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 vote. Man, this is so exciting. It's so exhilarating, man. I feel alive right now. What a great story. I would have never imagined that we would solve what we believe to be solved, the heuristics. We don't have to do any AI. But it makes sense. This board is relatively simple. Like, we're not trying to solve chess or anything. Oh. There's a more designer out there. There's two people who are more designers. Okay. I think that's unanimous. Oh, wait. Someone's trolling. Someone's trolling. Or maybe not. Either way, I'm going to start looking into code because it seems like it's coding time. Let's get this script running. All right, I'm going to move this tablet because it served its job. I might bring you back later if I need to, but at the moment, you're good to go. I need keyboard space now. Keyboard activated. Okay, all right, let's do this. Shout outs. Coding time is 1. It is time to code. Poll is ended. Let's get into it. At least good for the first player code time, as long as player 1 has a chance. Next time on Jabrils, we solve 5D chess with multiverse time travel. You guys are silly. Okay, where do I begin? So the code is a bit of a mess, but I think it's manageable. Here's all of the win states, win positions. I had a hand code. It was really annoying, but it is what it is. There's also no good or even function if I do chess bots. I'm going to say something controversial. Adding a dimension to games is kind of boring. Like when I originally was looking up tic tac toe for 3D, it was literally tic tac toe on 3 different boards, and they share. No, it was two tic tac toe on 3 different boards, but because a 3 by 3 grid in 3 dimensions was too weighted towards the first player, they added 4. It's a 4 by 4 on 3. It was just like I just did. I just I don't know. It's just not appealing to me. Um, but we don't need to go into controversial statements right now. Exactly, Cloud. Exactly. Okay, so what am I doing? Let me just take a look back at this so I can get an idea on what the first step is. What we need to do is we need to first get a sense of position evaluation. I believe that's the first thing we need to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is for the board, I'm just going to do a function called void evaluate position, and then just pass an integer for the position. Okay, First step. And then within this, what we want to do first is we want to grab a ref. I'm pretty sure this is the first thing I'm going to do. Is grab a ref. Make a ref of all lines this position effects. Yep. If we're evaluating A, we'll do that. Okay, and then the second thing we want to do is we want to document how this position would change if we were to play there. Loop through all lines, get the store their scores, and then get the average. This is just for one position, by the way. So I want to get this working first and foremost, and then we can get into the conversation of making it functional in the game as a bot. Just to be clear, this is actually 5D chess with multiverse time travel game on Steam. That's interesting. I want to check that out. That's kind of interesting. Okay. And to be able to do that, I first need to add some functionality to call this function in the first place, because I have left click and it just inserts, but I want to do like a right click and it will evaluate. And what I probably need to do is stop maximizing this, just play it focused so we can have the console. We have the console now. Maybe I'll zoom in a bit. Oh, that's ugly. Never mind. Okay. So I'm gonna add the right click functionality really fast. And I do that where again? Here. I do that here. If it's clicked, if it's held down, else. I'm gonna do print right clicked and the position that we're clicking, which is, dude, what the hell did I code? Oh, I think I put this in the wrong place. I think it needs to be here. Yeah, it needs to be here. My bad. My bad. On mouse down? Wait, how do I differentiate? Is there on right mouse down? Oh, geez, Louise. How can I check, can I do this? I wonder if this will work. I wonder if this works. Let's just see. I have no idea. Does on mouse have a key check? Great question. I will find out after I do this. Well, right mouse does not work. Okay. Are you saying they're input parameters maybe? No. I don't want to rewrite this entire thing. I don't want to. But if I have to, then I must. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Before I throw in the update, does anyone know if you can check is using if else? Whatever, update it is. Gosh darn the devil. Actually, I'm gonna ask my buddy really fast. My best friend, old buddy, old pal. They might know. Is there any way to check or right click here? Nope. That's really frustrating. I have to do this whole roundabout just to add functionality now. Where did my chat go? Did I close the chat window? No, I didn't. Forum seem to have say use update. God damn the devil. Okay, fine. Just I have to go silent mode real quick as I implement this annoying ass. Because I have to use raycasting now. I mean, there's no point even keeping it in here now then. Might as well just keep it on the board or something. Else, if that's then let me just confirm that it has a collider. So I'm not sure if it does or not. Board position does have a collider. Okay. This is where, I'm sorry everyone, this is where the stream gets really boring. Maybe I should just end the stream and come back when I have something to show. This is where people usually start dropping off because I go silent and get shit done. Wait, who has the evaluate function? Is it the board? Okay, then I just need the position then. Where's that stored on this? Is it stored here? Where's it stored? ID. Okay, so then I just need to grab the dot piece dot ID, evaluate, and then call CTR. This is a mess. Why did I code this like this? Dot evaluate. This is a mess. Okay. We have the scaffolding laid. Let me see if ChatGPT could do this for me because I'm lazy. Hell no, I love code. All right, calm down. Sorry. This is what ChatGPT is suggesting. We live in a post-human coding world, okay? Don't judge me. Oh, that should be in these brackets. All right, so this is what it's suggesting. We'll see how it does. If it does well enough, let's see, raycast, and then out, it grabs perfect. If the board is not equal to null, acceptable, the ID equals the board position dot, no, it's not called piece, it's called lowercase piece dot ID. What? Oh, because it's private? It's probably private. Yeah. Still no? Why? Why still no? Oh, is ID private now? No, it's not. It's... Am I tripping? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. And then evaluate. Yeah, I got to get a reference to the board. So this would be the board. The board.evaluate. That's because that is private. It needs to be public. And then this should fix. Come on. Did I spell that wrong too? Am I a delinquent? Oh, evaluate position. Okay. God damn the devil. Evaluate position. Perfect. Okay, cool. We just have to assign this now to in start. We'll do the lazy way out. We'll say the board equals get component of type. Is it game object.get component type? Where the hell is get component of type? Where is that located? Is it capital game object that get component of type? Yeah. Get component of what the? Am I this rusty in Unity? What? How you guys screaming in chat? This is what I sub for. Give ChatGPT code and simply save prefix errors. What's up? Yo, what's up, Lawson? Shouts to Lawson. I'm losing my mind right now because get component of type is nowhere to be found. Where is that stored? Get component of type. What is going on? I'm losing my mind. What is going on? Unity get component of type. Am I getting Mandela effect right now? Is that not a thing? What? I'm like freaking out right now. What? Oh, is it find object of type? Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad. Okay. If you see any of my coding practices, do not copy it. This is like lazy man coding. I don't recommend any of this. But there's only one board, so I feel pretty confident in doing that. Now we have a reference. Now when we right click, it should print out the position. Let's see that in action. Okay, console. Boom. Right click ID 6, 8, 7, 4, 0, 3, 1, 2. Beautiful. Okay, so now we have functionality to get a reference to what position we want to evaluate. Good. Now what we want to do is go back to our board, look at our evaluate position. We want to start doing some of this stuff. So we have this win position. What is it? Dictionary. It's a hash set. We have this win position hash set, in which I'm not entirely sure how to use. So let's learn that right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna for loop. Can we for loop a hash set? I don't even know. Win position dot count print win position. I have to test. I don't know how hash sets work all that well, so I'm about to learn as we go. Dot contains. Well, it will be of I dot contains. Is there no I? You can't apply indexing? Excuse me? How do you expect me? How do you expect me to. What? Okay. Okay. This is a hash set. How do I loop through all of its values? Please don't make me do something stupid. Oh, this is the dumbest design. This makes no sense. Okay. But what we're going to do is contains position. Oh dear Lord. Oh dear Lord. These are strings. These aren't even arrays. Oh dear Lord. Does that matter? Let's see. Give me a number. I'm gonna say 15. Okay. One. They'd have to be consecutive because they're separated by commas. It should still hold 15. It should still hold. Let's find out. But this says that it wants a character. No. Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? It doesn't even say string. It wants a character. What in the holy war? I don't know what this is about to do, but we are going to run it. I'm going to print the value. Then we're going to let's see what happens. We're doing it live. You got to pass in the type. You can floss with them. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Position 0. Got a lot of trues. I thought I was printing the actual. Oh, my bad. I didn't print the actual value. My bad. So So we can't do an analysis. Sorry, my bad. Oh, I'm so scared. Will it take the 0 from a 10, like, and say that's true? I feel like it's going to. Yes, it did. Okay, no big deal. Just just the common hurdles that you expect when you code anything, right? You know, a 20-minute task is really a 6-day task. It's nothing new. Okay, so what can I do to get around this? First thing I can do is I can separate this out into an array, an actual array, which will I'll be forced to change other code, other else places. I can maybe the value, I can split it there, so I don't have to really change anything. So I can take this and go string array val. Oh, by the way, let me know if you, I'll just do it anyway. I'll make this a little bigger. Oh, the rat's walking. I have rats in the walls, rats in the ceilings at this office place I'm leasing. Val equals value. No, don't suggest that ever again. Split. Yep, that's what I want. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. So now we have a string. Actually, I'm curious. I want to go straight to integers. ChatGPT, what's that fancy way? How do I do that? How do I turn this into an int array? Don't say something stupid. Don't say something stupid. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. I'll take it. I'll take it. So now we have this int array. Okay. Good, 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 good. Now what we can do is do a for loop on the int array. And then we'll need a check bool contains. Or wait, can we just do a check? I know in Python you'd be able to do something like this. Int array dot contains. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. C# getting fancy over here. Oh, wait a second. We don't have to do a for loop, I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. Bool contains equals. Okay. Okay. So then we have our value, and then we can just swap this with contains. Let's see what happens. Position 0. Oh, snap. C# is getting fancy. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. I'm sorry for doubting you, C#. Python may not be my daddy for much longer. Jeez Louise. Okay, good. Let me just double check, make sure none of these are false positives. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's try another random position. 18. We're looking for 18, 18, 18. 18 true. 18 true. 18 true. 18 true. 18 true. Beautiful. Okay, I think we got that. We're one step ahead now. How you doing right now? Figuring out this problem. I'm having fun, Lawson. I love shit like this. I love shit like this. Even when I'm not uploading videos regularly, this is all I'm doing. I'm just waking up and just working on random shit that doesn't really mean anything. I love this shit so much. All right, so we can go to the next step. We got to ref to all the lines now. This should probably be a... Well, wait. We got to ref to all the lines for this position specifically. But we should probably store them somewhere. So we need a list of int arrays. And we'll call them affected. Okay. And so what we'll do is if contains then affected.add int array. Perfect. Perfect. So now we officially have a reference to all lines that this position affects, right? And we can confirm that just to be sure, you know, we don't want to stack bugs here. We can just go through that and then just print them out. Print the affected of I. We're gonna need to print what position we're evaluating. Otherwise we'll be a little confused. Dumb. What'd I miss? Boom. 11. Oh, my bad. I forgot this isn't Python. You have to actually... I have to do another loop. Come on. What is with this? What is with this? What am I missing? Oh, this is a method? Is it? It is a method. Wait, it is? I don't know why my brain is blanking when I'm on this live stream right now. Okay. We'll go to another random position and not how I wanted it, but I can still understand. Wait, what? Why is that number 1? Oh, no, that's what we're evaluating. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Okay. Good, good, good. I think we're good to go to move forward. We're good to go. So next one we do is document how this position would change if we were to play there. Okay, so I actually don't have a system that grades that knows what like type of position it is, like corner, edge, or center. I actually don't have a system for that. And I need to think of like the easiest, quickest way to do that really fast by evaluating the board. I get probably hard coded is probably the best. Because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 6, 0, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I just probably hard code it just real quick. The quickest way is to assign it. Curtis once again. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 different hash sets. Do hash sets have they have the ability to be so powerful, but they're so whack. You can't loop through them. That's so whack. Wait, I have to think of this. I can't loop through them. I can for each. Never mind. Whatever. We'll keep going. Hash set int. This one's going to be corners. And then we need one for edges. we need one for centers. Okay. We have to instantiate them all. Corners equals, edges equals, centers equals. Okay. Actually, what am I doing? I'm hard coding this. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, so centers are going to be the fastest, so let's do centers first. This is 4, 25, 10, 16, 22, 24. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all 6. Okay, 6 faces. So let me just input these in real quick. I'm gonna take code off screen so I can look at the figures real quick. This is 4. I'm just gonna keep them in order. 4, 10, 16, 22, 24, 25. Tight. All right, let's clear that and let's do edges now. 15, 3, 21, 9, 1, 5, 7. I'm losing track. 19, 23. Okay. 11, maybe 17. Good. 15, 13. 9. I think I'm probably clicking the same ones a couple times, but yeah, I think I might have got them all. Just double checking here. All right, I think I might have got them all. So I'm going to put them here. For edges, it's 1. Let's see, 1. Then I see 3 is next. And then 5, and then 7. And then 9. 11. These are all odds at the moment. I'm seeing a pattern. Is there 13? Do I see 13? I see 13. Do I see 15? I see 15. Do I see 17? I see 17. 19. Do I see 21? I see 21. Yeah, there's definitely a pattern here. 23. And 25. 25 is on the centers list. Okay. So that means that the corners are the rest, but I don't know what those are. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be one more corner. 2. Oh, zeros first. 0, 2, 6, 8. Yeah, okay. I see the pattern here. So it's going to be plus 4. It's going to be next, it's going to be 12, and it's going to be 14, right? 12, and then 14, and then plus 6, and it's going to be 20, and it's going to be 22, right? 20, and then 20. Oh, no, 22 is on the other. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I have too many here. Hold on a second. 0, 2, 0, 2, 6, 8, 6, 8, 12, 14. Yeah, 14. And then 20. Is there this many corners? There's 7 corners? That's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm missing one. What number am I missing here? The next would be 22. But 22 is on the centers. Okay, hold on. I got something wrong. Yeah, here 22 is here in the center. What is 25 minus 2 would be 23. But 23 is on the edges. 1, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. '24 is on the centers list. Did I get that wrong? I have 6 twice. Why am I freaking out? What? Very simply, all I need is 2 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the other face. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 8. Is there duplicates? No. 0, yes. 2, yes. 6, yes. 8, yes. 12, yes. 14, yes. 20, yes. Oh, 18 is not on the list. Where did 18 come from? Okay, found it. 18 was missing. Okay. We got them defined, folks. We got them defined. Okay. All right. Let's continue down our conquest. How are we looking for views? Oh, not that bad. I'm surprised you guys are still here. Hey, Jabrils, are you using symmetries to simplify the calculations for your AI? No, we haven't got there yet. We might not be using AI for this. We might have discovered the correct heuristic, so AI is not required. Maybe. Don't hold me on that, but that's what we're trying to figure out. We're getting close. We're almost down the list. So document how this position would change. Okay, so now that we have this, we know the position. Let's just print out its score. God damn it. There's a whole other step. Honestly, it's probably better if I just do a dictionary. I smell smoke. Let me see if there's a fire in California real quick. I don't think there's a fire. I don't think there's a fire. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna peek outside and see if it looks dangerous. Obviously, I have some fire trauma. I think someone just smoking a cigarette and it's somehow getting into my office. I don't quite understand. Maybe through the vents or something. Okay, so I think the better thing for us to do is just make a quick little dictionary of int to int. This is just going to be the position and then the score. This will make life a lot easier. Just have to leave the live right now. I just want to know what happened right now. I left a couple minutes ago. Huh? I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you're saying. Cost, value, base value equals new dictionary lookup. Okay, now let's fill this out. 0 is gonna be, that's a corner. What do we say corners were again? Excuse me. Corners are 6. So you're gonna equal 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What was the first 6? 1, 2, 3. Love you, bro. You're the reason I got into Python. Yo, shouts to Confidosin. Shouts to you. Python is so fun. Okay, so where we at? 0, 1 is edges. So this is gonna be a 3 cost. I'm just gonna input the cost here. 3 costs. Edges is 2, I think. And this is 3, I think. No, centers is 4, actually. Actually. And then this is 3. Okay, so 1 is in edges, so that's going to be a 3 cost. 2 is in corners, 6 cost. 3 is in edges, that's a 3 cost. 4 is in centers, that's a 4 cost. 5 is in edges, that's a 3 cost. 6 is in 6 cost. Okay. There's more edges than anything, so going down the list, I'm just gonna do edge cost. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7. Do we do 7? Yeah. 8 is a corner. 9 is edge. 10 is a center. 11 is a edge. 12 is a corner. Shit, wait, I didn't do what I said I was gonna do. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and I think the final one is 25. Okay. Where do we leave off? I don't remember. 12, I think. 13 is in edge. Perfect. 14 is a corner. That's 6 cost. 15 is... Yep. 16 is... Where's 16? Where's 16? Is a center. 17 is a... Yep. 18 is a corner. 19 is a... Yep. 20 is a corner. That's the last corners. No more corners. So it's either edge or center. So 21 is a edge. 22 is a center. That's a 4 cost. 23 is a edge. And then the rest should be, oops, the rest should be centers, 24 and 25. Perfect. Okay, much better. So continuing down this, now we can just do a simple print position base value of our position. see if we did it right. Ooh. Where's my game? What are you going to do for Christmas? Me? What am I going to do for Christmas? Sleep in. Code. I'm counting this stream as 3 CPE credit points. Glad you don't know the pain of CPEs. Yeah, I don't know what CPEs are. I'm sorry. Educate me. What is a CPE? Okay, corner 6, perfect. This corner is 6, perfect. Center 4, perfect. Edge 3, perfect. 3, perfect. 6, perfect. 4, perfect. 3, perfect. 3, perfect. 3, perfect. 3, perfect. 6, perfect. I think we got it. I think we got it. Let's move on. So now we know at least the value, the base value of them. Now let's see. Now we can do what? Now what we need to do? We have all lines, and we know. So what we need to do is at that position is modify those continuing education points. What work makes me track to prove I'm learning stuff all the time? Whoa, 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 wait a second. Your work requires you to learn stuff? Why? Why did they do that? Okay, we have to do the most important part, which if you remember the design doc or the design that we're doing, we have to get the score of what the line would be after we were to add our position there. And being that it's the first position, they're all going to be the same exact. Well, not necessarily. They're not all going to be the same exact. The corners are going to have more value for the first position always. So it's going to be a random corner that's chosen. But we have to reflect that here. Which I just need a second. Because we have all the affected lines. What I'm missing is if, say, for example, I'm blue and I'm evaluating position 0, or rather I'm evaluating position 3, what I'm missing is that I have to do negative or positive based on how this is filled. So my next step, I need to print out the value of all positions that are affected. That's the next step. Okay. So I'm going to bring back the for loop of affected. This is a 2D. Disgusting. But it is what it is. Why is that a variable? But this is a function. Why does that change? Why does that change? Is it because it's a linked list? Is this, oh, this is supposed to be length. What am I doing? That's supposed to be length. I swear, I get on the stream, my brain just starts just melting. Okay, good. So what we need to do now is we need to compare these positions to the actual map that we have of the game, which is what again? Which one is that? Remaining, I think? No, board. It's board. Okay, so let's see what happens. I think it's board. Board of of position. And then we'll do times value at position. We should be stepping in the right direction here. Hello, what is going on here? Yo, Valentin. Shouts to you for joining the stream. Welcome. We have a goal of trying to figure out if this game is solved or not. Give me one quick second. Let me just test this, and I'll get with you, players. Give me 1 second. Oh, excuse me. 3 is not present in, I'm guessing, board. How am I? This is int. Oh, because that's the wrong number. Okay. What I mean to do here is affected of I think. That's what I mean to do. Affected of IJ, sorry. Okay. Yeah, so Valentin, so what we're doing is we're trying to figure out if this game is solved or not. And in order to do that, there needs to be some artificial intelligence that can play against each other and like as optimal as possible. All solved means is that the game will end in a draw if both players are playing optimally. So right now, the step that we're doing is we're trying to create the AI that can play the game optimally. Sounds interesting. I'm happy to hear that you think that sounds interesting because I'm losing my mind right now. Let me see. There's something I don't understand how the board works. So I wrote this a while ago. So let me just get a little intuition on how the board works, and then we can resume our adventure on trying to get this to behave. Bada bing. Okay, so this is a 3. Affected. I of J is 3. But that's oh, right. No, that is correct. Nope, that is correct. Affected is 3. What we want to do is get board dot contains key. Contains key. Yeah. Yeah. If it does, else print board does not contain just a heads up, if this drops below 12 concurrents, I'm out of here. Just so you know. I'm doing this off stream. Nope. That's the wrong number. Like that. Okay. Let's run it. All right, we're gonna plug one in here, and then we're gonna do that. Boom. 0 times 3. Close. We're really close. This needs to not be 0. 0 is the position. We need that to read who filled that position. And yeah, wait, why this? Oh, wait, because I think, because 0 is player 1. And then 1 is player 2. I see. Is there any way I can change that? Is it too late to change that to -1 and 1? Player equals. Yeah, it's probably too late to change that. Whatever. I'll work around it. Okay. Good. And to just confirm that that is the case, what I'm going to do is place player 1 here, and then place player 2 there, and then I'm going to evaluate, and it's 1. Yep. Okay, good. Okay, so good. That means that what we need to do then is we need to extrapolate, first of all, whose turn is it? That's the first thing we need. Turn is gonna be, what do I use? I don't even know what variable I use for that. Turn, I use the turn variable. That's convenient. Or do I use turn display? I use turn display. Okay. Okay, all right. We're making good progress. Everyone hold out. Hold strong, okay? Hold the line. Turn, it's player 1's turn, is blue's turn. And this is going to be -1 times 3 is -3. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need more information. Turn, and then I also need pause position, which is going to be, yeah. It's going to be affected. I of j. Okay. We're inching. Yep. Okay. Good. We have almost everything we need. Last thing I want to do is just get an understanding of if it's plus or negative for here, and then we'll be good to go to calculate scores. Hold the line. We're almost there. We're almost at the point where we get to see something exciting happen. Okay, so in order to do that, I first need to understand it's my turn. I am blue, and the piece is easy. So I can do turn display equals that position. This is how you know if it's negative or positive. Mine equals easy. Okay. And now I can do mine 1 or -1. What? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Does this need to be string? Stop it. Good. All right. Come on. Come on. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. Turn 1, blue, position 0, -1 points times 3 equals -3 for this position. Okay. Good. And I should be able to flip that to read the opposite. If I go here, now it's yellow's turn, and then I evaluate. Yep. Position, that is 3 points so far. Okay. Good. Okay, so next up, there is, it's not evaluating boards that don't contain pieces yet. It just prints this out, but we can fix that by simply just adding this equals 0 no matter what. Because this needs to be in 2 steps. The first step, it has to be, we need the score as it is at the moment. Step 1. And then once you have the score as it is at the moment, we then need to say, okay, what will the score become when we modify it? Or can I do that in one step? Can I do that in one step? It's probably best to optimize later. I don't want to think too hard on it. So what I'm going to do is go back in here. And I'm going to peek at this real quick. So this is position 3. I'm essentially going to copy the same thing for this and just plug in what I need. So this is going to be just a flat 0. And this should give us... And then we can turn this into actual scores. What just happened? What just happened? Well, we got a little spike in viewership. I don't know from what, but shouts to all the new people stepping in. Boom. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Now, let me turn this to actual numbers. This is going to be int value. EU viewers probably waking up. It's 9 a.m. Oh, shouts to EU. Shouts to the EU peeping in. Okay. So now we do mine times, mine 1, -1, and this is times. That's the value. And we can do the same here. Well, the value here is going to be, it's going to be 0, no matter what. Okay, and so now what we want to do actually is have a int overall equals 0. So for every loop, we want to just like add value to that. So overall plus value. And here, you're not going to add anything, so that's just a waste of time. Yep. And then print the overalls. All right. Let's see. So what we have going on here is for line 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going down. For the first line going down, it's 0, 0, 0 equals 0. Perfect. For line 0, 3, 6, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 6 right here. For this line, it's going to be -3. Perfect. And then for 3, 15, 24, I guess that's the top. The top right there is going to be 0. Where is this 3 coming from? I forgot what I'm printing this for. I'm going to remove it. Perfect. So then all we got to do now is just get these 3 values, sum them, and then divide them by 3. That is what we're doing on the design doc, right? Yeah. Yep. And then this would give us -1 for this position. And then once we have that -1 showing on screen, we then just do that for every position on the board. And we have an AI. Okay. All right. Come on. We're almost there. We're this close to seeing something exciting happen on screen. We're this close. We're this close. We just got to keep going. Okay. All right. I have the overall. Now we need to do something with this overall. The overall needs to be stored. It needs to be stored. Bear with me. I'll optimize this later, but I'm gonna call this overall. That stands for overall. Okay. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna do overall plus overall. Nope. oops, plus equals overall. Okay. And then here we just gotta print the overall. And this should show us our number. Well, let's just go all the way to the end step. So overall, and then we also want to divide by affected.count. And this should give us our number. However, I think one of these need to be cast as a float. Is that true? Yeah, the one must be cast as a float. Otherwise, we might get some weird math. Okay. All right. And just to make it pretty, I'm gonna add some information here, just so that we're not confused at all. Time is money. Just simply O overall is that, and then whoops, score for pause value. I'm gonna say value for pause blank. Beautiful. 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 And this is the pause. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see it? Please? Please? Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Go faster. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. The evaluation for this position is -3. If we were to go right here, -3, rightfully so. Which means, wait, hold on. What am I saying? Oh, right. The sum, sorry, the sum of this position is -3. But when we take the average, it's -1. Beautiful. Beautiful. Woke up. What's new? Hakuna, you've missed so much. You've missed so much. I will update you in 1 second. We're cooking right now, yo. We are doing a slow roast. Okay. This is good. This is good. So we have the position here. What we need to do now is turn all the progress. Yo, where's that full screen at? What the hell? Come on, where's that full screen? All we need to do now is turn all the work that we just did into a simple function that we can call. Wait, I think we already did that. Wait a second. Wait. I think we've already done that. Can I transition? That is what this is, right? Evaluate position at this. All we have to do is just return this value. That's it. And then we can just do a loop, evaluate all active positions, and then we just need a map of position value. And we're done. Hey, yo. This is what I live for, yo. This is what moments like this is what I live for. So let's just return. Yep, this. Bada bing. That's a float. Right? Turn this from a void to a float. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Why is it so beautiful? So we are effectively evaluating positions. We're almost there, yo. We're almost there. We just need to make that map. Let's see. What I want to do is fresh. From a fresh play. For now, I'm just going to say when I press spacebar, loop through every position that is available. Very important. Every position that is available. Evaluate the score. Create. What's the best way to do that? Would it be a list? No, it'd be a dictionary or a class. Struct, maybe? Can you order a dictionary based on its value? Let's find out. Hold on a second. Hold on. Can you order a dictionary based on its value, assuming it's in int dictionary. Yes, you can order a dictionary. Okay, what's the function? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Order by pair. Game over. Game over. Yo, stop talking. Everyone, be quiet. Be quiet. Game over. So all we have to do is just, where's my chat at? Where the hell's my chat? I've lost chat. There it is. All we have to do is when I press spacebar, evaluate every available, excuse me. I was trying to say active and available at the same time. Available position. Evaluate every available position. Get their value. I want their value. Give it to me. Okay. Store their position as the first int in a dictionary, as the key, and then store their value as the value in the dictionary. Once we have every single position, order the dictionary top to bottom by the value, and then just pick the first one. And our AI is done. Our AI is done. We're so close to victory. You don't understand how stoked I am. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. First things first is I need to find the update function. Here it is. Get key down space. Oh, I already have that for select random position. Whoops. Random, you're getting downgraded, all right? You're going to backspace. Ew, boo. Boo, backspace. Okay. When I say space, what I want to do is for every board. Oh, wait, I have one already. It's remaining. Oh my gosh. It's remaining. It's remaining. So for each int, pause and remaining. Jeez Louise. I'm so stoked. What we want to do is evaluate position at pause, right? But that's not all. Hold on a second. Float. I'm just gonna say grab equals this, okay? And then what we need to do, I guess we can do it right here. So we need a dictionary of int float rather. And this is evaluation equals new. Okay. And then once we have that grab, we want to do evaluation. Can you do that like that? Can you do that like that? I thought you had to do add. I'm just going to do it because I don't know if you can do it like that. You might be able to. I don't know. We're going to do add. Oh, we need both the key and the value. Okay. We're going to add that to our evaluation. And then at the end of our for loop here, we need to reorder it, which you can do by I always confuse ascending with descending. Ascend is bottom to top, descend is top to bottom. Okay. Descend. This is what ChatGPT wrote. Don't judge me. Int float ordered equals evaluation. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now we just do the do. We just do the do. Now I want to know. What is ordered. Oh, maybe we should flip them. Maybe we should flip them so I don't do no stupid convoluted. Yeah, let's flip them. So it's gonna be value and then position. Yep. Int. And then we use the order of 0. Let's flip this. And then we need to do pair. Instead of value here, we got to do key. I think I should just be able to flip this and it should be fine. Nope, I messed something up. I think that's doing it right. So order by descending the key value and then turn it to a dictionary. Pair equals pair key. Right, yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. So, and then we can just finally say, what did you select? Print. I selected. Yo, are you guys ready? I don't know if y'all are ready for this. I don't know if y'all are ready for this magic. I'm barely ready for this magic. Oh my god. Yo, one button. We're one button away. I'm so scared. We're here. We've arrived. Use var. Hell no. Hell no. Phil. Hell no. I like readable code. Thank you very much. Okay. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, for those of you that have stuck around for the first, well, how long has this been? It's been 2 hours. Oh my goodness. First couple hours of this event. It is time to press spacebar and have the AI tell us what is the most optimal position on the board. Very exciting, very hype. I've been dreaming about this moment for 2 or 3 days now. And I'm excited to experience this. Let's see what happens. You can order by descending and then use dot first. Okay, fair enough. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't just completely break on us. Here we go. Oh, it broke. What happened? An item with the same key has already been added. What? Multiple positions can have the same evaluation. Oh, duh. Duh. Yeah, duh. Yeah, I'm dumb. We can't do the easy way like I wanted to. We have to do it this way. Because the actual positions are the unique values. No? What the hell are you doing? Come on. Yes. Okay, and then here we want to order by value. And then we want to switch this back to grab. Let's see what the chat's saying. Dictionary requires unique key. Now the question is if unique supports triad, but you can do orders and pair value then. Yeah. But now I need to figure out how do I get the key ordered key dot keys of 0. Is it that simple? Nope. It's not that simple. Get keys, try get value. No. Keys contains key. It has to be some with this, right? Like this? No? Either someone in chat's about to tell me or ChatGPT. Who? It's a race. It's a race. It's a race. Let's see. How do I do this? Keys dot first will probably work. Okay. No, it's not a function. Oh. Oh, who is that? Who's that go to? Who'd that go to? It goes to Braycon. Braycon. I guess Phil technically, but Phil, you weren't discreet enough. Okay, so I'm giving it a Braycon. All right. Let's see. What did ChatGPT say? It said. I have no idea. It's saying it converted to a list. Get out of here. Oh no, it does eventually say keys that first. Whatever. Let's get that glory moment. All right. Shouts to Phil. Shouts to Braycon. Okay. All right. All right. Here we go. Selected 0. Makes sense. I mean, there all the corners have the same value. There's no random function. Wait, I'm skipping it. Wait, I'm missing a very important component to this. I forgot. I'm missing a very important component. I have to I have to evaluate the change, the effect that the peg would have. I'm completely skipping that. So we're not done quite yet. Let me add that in real quick. That's in evaluate position function. What we must do is I don't have any comments. God damn it, my brain has dumped all this. Let me just try and add a couple comments real quick. Loop. Actually, I wonder. Actually, do you think ChatGPT would do good at commenting this? Let's see. I'm actually really curious. Can you comment this code, please? Let's see what it does. You guys think it'll be good or bad? What do you think? Do you pay for 4.0? Yes, I do. What do you guys? What's your guess? What's your guess? What's your guess? It's coming from 4.0. God damn, it made this function long as hell. I hope it didn't change anything. So I don't want to lose 3 hours trying to figure out the one line that it changed. All right, let's evaluate the comments. List to hold all the lines when conditions, okay, affected by the given position. Very good. Iterate through all the possible when conditions stored in when position. Very good. Split the current when condition. Excuse me. We're going to store it as a comma separated string, okay, into a string array. Very good. Convert the string array into an integer array for numerical processing. Very good. Check if the current position is part of the when condition. Very good, very good. If the if the current position is part of the when condition, of this when condition, add it to the affected list. Very good. Variable to store all of the evaluation of the given position. A little confusing, but whatever. Iterate through all the affected when conditions. Yep. Yep. Variable to store the cumulative value for this particular when condition. Very good, very good. Yeah, okay, this makes more sense now. Variable to store the overall evaluation. Okay. Iterate through all positions in the current when condition. All positions in the current when condition. Affected. Yeah, all position in the current when condition. Or this should be line. I think it's easier to just say line for me. It's just the verbiage that we've gotten familiar with. Right, so iterate through all positions in the current line. Check if the position in the current line is present on the board. Yep. Determine if the position is owned by the current player or the opponent. Yep. Print, sure. Calculate the value for the position. Positive if owned by the current player, negative if owned by the opponent. Very good. Add the value to the cumulative score for this win condition. Very good. We can get rid of this. Add the cumulative value of this win condition. I'm going to save this line to the overall evaluation. Print, print, return. Very good. Having to comment on every line seems a bit overkill, you know? Yes, you are right, but if you can do it with one sentence of an AI, why would you not? I'm very pro, just for the record, I'm very pro commenting code. Like, you comment every line. I don't care. It saves you so much time when you're revisiting code 3 months later and you're like, what the hell was I thinking here? It saves you so much time. I'm pro code. I'm sorry. I mean pro comment. Okay, so good. Now I need to add what I was talking about, which is this part specifically, which is when we are evaluating position A here on this board, we need to calculate what the line would be after we added our board piece there. That needs to influence the output value. And that would occur here in this equation. Value equals mine times base value. Yeah, because this is a position for the current. Yeah, so we need a. Sorry, hold on. Let me think for a second. It needs to be plus mod int mod equals 0. So then this will be plus mod, but the mod is only for the position. So we need to check if I'm gonna do int pause equals this pause. I'm gonna do current pause equals affected this. So we'll check the current pause, right? So if current pause equals pause that we input it, then we can do mod equals, this is where we do the thing that we made a long time ago, which is base value. Wait, is this right? Wait, this is not right. I'm not doing this right. I'm close, but I'm not doing this right. Right? Or am I? I'm only modifying if the current position is position. That's the input that we have here. If the current position that we're evaluating is the position that we inputted, then we will modify its value based on whatever that is, which will be 0 if it's not the current position. Yeah, I think this is actually correct. Actually. Just to be sure, I'm going to do another print here. And I'm going to say input is pause. And then mod for modding current position. Yeah, I'll do last one is the mod. All right, let's test it out. What's the formula now? Hakuna. Yeah, I need to update you. Give me a second. I'm sorry. I know I said that already. Okay. Boom. Evaluate. This is not correct. Did I save it? Position 0. Wait, my intuition is falling apart. Hold on a second. Position 0. Turn 1. Oh, right, because current position will never have. It will never have. It will never be contained in the board. So I need to do an else. I need to put that in else. Else. But then, how do you get mod to effect? Let me just comment this out for now. I'm getting there. I'm inching there. I'm inching there. My intuition is coming back to me. Just bear with me. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay. So inputting 3. Yeah, that's 3. Modifying 3. Good. Good, good, good. Because in truth, this is -6. Hold on a second. -6. We did this math already, did we not? We did. -6. We did it for this position. Is A is going to be, for B, it's going to be a score of 1. The absolute value. So then that's right then. No, that is correct. Wait, how do I end up with the same results when I modify it? -3 is A1. Because I'm plusing 3 from 6. From -6. Yes, and that would be the same here. I would plus. Am I already doing that math and I'm just not realizing it? Am I already doing that math? No. Right here, -3. Oh, 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 oh. This needs to be base value of what we're evaluating of the current position. My bad. My bad. I messed up the math. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay, okay. Right, 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 right. Right, 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 right. Okay, my bad, my bad, my bad. So now this should give us a realistic. It should be -6. -6 divided by 3 should be -2. Is what we should see. -6 times -1, which is exactly what we want to see. This is -3. Wait, that's the correct answer, but how are we arriving there? Because it's somewhere in between -1 times 6 is -6. It's somewhere in there, plussing 3 to it, which it should be doing to get -3 to -3 divided by 3 is -1. That's the correct answer, but it's when do we do that? Is it this? Right, because yeah, this should also be current position. Right. Excuse me. There is -2. Okay, perfect. This is what I expected to see. Good. Now I know where we're at. I found my way. I found my way through the chaos. Okay, now I know where we're at. So now what we can do is, I think no matter what, we can just do plus base value of our position because it's touching no matter what. This should be correct. I'll evaluate the intuition in a second. But this should be correct because all touch, it's available. Shouldn't have to do anything more trickier than this. Yes. Yes. The math seems to work out. Only thing I need to do is take the absolute value here at the end. So the only thing I need to do is mathf dot absolute value. I can get rid of this bullshit. Okay. Okay. So I'm almost positive. I don't have like really good intuition on why this is true, but it's my surface level intuition that so long as you're getting the base value of the current position that you're evaluating, which is contained in the board, it has to pass the contains key check first. You get the base value of it, and then no matter what, you should be able to add the position value of what you're evaluating because you're thinking about adding your position to that. And so you need to know in the future, what would that equal in the future? So no matter what like line you're evaluating, this should always be true. All right. You're starting to confuse me, so I need to get rid of you and you. Okay, so now if we do the spacebar test again, it probably still will be 0, but I selected 0. All right, we'll go 0. Now, selected 21. I don't know what 21 is. I just want to, before I actually tie the actual AI to play each other, I want to make sure that I am evaluating the turns appropriately. I just want to make sure. Where is that code? Turn. Yeah, so mine equals turn display board. Okay. Turn 1. Yeah, it is. Okay. I think it's time. I think we got all the bugs out. I think we have the code working exactly like we designed it here at the beginning of the stream. Yo, what's his name? Hakuna. If you're still here, press 7 in the chat. I'll give you a quick rundown since you're asking. If not, we're going for broke right here, right now. You have a couple of seconds. You're set. Okay. All right. So Hakuna, you were here part 1 stream yesterday. And if you remember, where we last left off was here. We last left off with this heuristic of +1 for your pieces, -1 for your opponent pieces, and then you would just extrapolate every single line of the position that you're evaluating, right? So position 1 again would be -1 +1, and that would be the score. And we did that here. So the line B would be 0. Line A would be 0 and line C would be 1 because there's 1, right? And then we did the delta here. And then this would suggest, this scenario would suggest that you go to position 5. It has a higher score when you take the absolute value of negative 0.66, right? And we were like, oh yeah, this is pretty good. You know, we left the stream like this is looking pretty good, etc., etc. However, the stream ended, and I always forget their name. Hold on, let me give them credit. Let me pull up the name real quick. Stinth was on the Discord. By the way, if you're not on the Discord, please go join the Discord, jabrils.com, and listen to JPB today. Stinth brought up a really good edge case where Stinth was like, well, that heuristic doesn't really work because say that it's the beginning of the game and player yellow has one pagan, you are player blue, the heuristic would essentially tell you to play a peg that is touching, that is on a line, same line as whatever peg your opponent just played. And that's a good call out because that is not the most optimal way to play this game, is to stay close to your opponent, especially if they go +6. You don't want to do +4, right? Or +3 rather. That is not a good move, right? So that was a good call out to the heuristic. And then from there, what we did was, well, we wondered if we essentially hard-coded the howdy, I'm on Discord. Did you manage to deal with the remaining issues said on the end? I was in the middle of explaining it. Did you hear any of that? I'll just keep going as I wait for you to reply. But so we continue to explore designing how we could potentially get over that. And so what we thought is instead of doing this arbitrary base value score for every single type of position, you're listening. Okay, sweet. So instead of doing like this arbitrary, I just picked these what I thought looked good. What we instead did is we calculated how many lines does each position type touch, and we discovered that the center touches 4 positions. I can draw them out for you. It touches 1 position. I'm sorry, line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. So that's +4. The edge here does 1 line, 2 line, 3 line on the back, and so that's 3. And then the corners do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. It touches 6 different lines. And so we just objectively use those values as their value, right? So you don't calculate multi-line synergies. We're getting there. And so with these base values in mind, we now revisit the heuristic that we had came up with and essentially just replaced +1, -1 with whatever this map reads for their actual value, right? So this will become +6, -6, for example, right? And we did that and it worked out pretty well. However, it ran into one really big issue, which was we weren't considering how adding your piece to that position, your peg to that position, would affect the board. Essentially, we were doing, this is -6. So this line is -6 because it's -6, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 0. And what we ended up discovering is that it didn't really give you any optimal play because we didn't account for what happens if we actually add our piece here. So when we made that final change, which is, say we're evaluating position A here, if we add a blue piece, it's going to be +3 for us, -6 for them, and then 0 here at the bottom, right? That is -3 for this line. It would be the score. And then going across for all positions all lines that position they touch, this will be +3 for here, and then +3 for here. So when you take all those, -3, +3, +3, what you get is 3 over 3, which is 1. And that'd be the score for going here, right? However, when we evaluated the corner here, which is B, it's going to be 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, all of them 6 except for B2, the B2 line. It's going to be +6 -6 equals 0, and it's reflected here. And then we do the math on that. The score of this one is going to be 5. And this just made a lot more sense that the corner is far more valuable than like trying to do an early block for your opponent. You have no idea what they're even trying to set up. And it made sense. So we started decoding it. And that is where we're at now. And we are literally one function away from watching two AIs battle it out using this heuristic. And I am so excited. So let's finally, once and for all, add that final function and watch them go at it. Okay, where'd I put it? It's going to be on this script for sure. We have an update. I think I'm going to do an I enumerator. Yeah, instead of select random position, I'm going to swap this out. I'll just do a new one. Select, I'm going to say evaluated position. All right, I need to make this function. Okay, and so what we need to do for this is quite simple. First and foremost, we need to do what we already did before with the update function. Where is the update function? Where are you? Where are you? With the spacebar, we need to do this. We need to do this. We need to do all this. And we have, let's do int pause I select equals this right here. Okay, good. We no longer need that. So now we have the position I select. Now we just simply need to do, I think there's a function for it already. It's like select position or something. Yeah, select position, position I select. Bada boom. That's it. That is it. This function will take care of the rest. So we just need to run our position 2 and the starts or awake. Oh my God, I'm shaking, guys. This is hours of design, arguments, of everyone pitching in. Right here, our design 2, if random games. Okay. Oh man, you know what? I wanted to go slower. I'm gonna put a slower timer on it. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this right. We're gonna do this right. So we're gonna take our time. We're gonna savor it. We're gonna enjoy the moments. Everyone, give yourself a round of applause. Wait, maybe not too soon. It might still break, but random games on. I'm gonna maximize, and let's just enjoy the show. Let's just enjoy the show. Who you got your money on? Do you got your money on yellow, first player, or blue, second player? I'm going to do a poll, actually. Let's do a little more suspense. Money, yellow, P1, or blue, P2. All right. What time is it, by the way? It's almost 1 a.m. Not bad. Who you got your money on? You think yellow's going to win? You think that this game is not solved and yellow's going to whoop ass? Or you think that, you know, maybe blue, maybe the heuristic is wrong and blue is has the edge or something like that. Cast your votes. Okay, we got some blues in there. Some blue believers. First player, definitely don't prioritize threat weight. I think first has an edge. Maybe first player advantage. I think. Okay, all right. I'm going for underdog blue. Okay, so we have 67%. About 70% thinks that it's going to yellow. Let's enjoy this. Ladies and gents. Here we go. Let it begin. All right, so we took a corner. Oh, interesting. Wait, whoa. That seems not right. This seems kind of random. I'm not going to lie. This is definitely random because why is this still empty? Blue got the first score? There's something wrong with that heuristic. There's something wrong with the heuristic. Blue has 2 points, yellow has 1 point. Okay, blue just won. I'm gonna hold up. It ends when the game's over. I need to end that. I need to stop that. Where do I do that? Where do I do that at? It has to be an update. Is it in this script? No, it has to be an update here. Where the hell do I do that at? Let's do a solution search. Scene. It's here. Let's comment that out. Wait, how in the hell did that? That doesn't queue it. There's no way that queues it. Select position. It's this one. Okay, I'm sad. I'm sad because our heuristic is definitely not working, right? But blue won, so all the yellow, the blue non-believers, you need to flee whatever country you're from. Yo, shouts to Tamago. This face cam is so unique. Shouts, thank you, man. What's up? I love your content. Avi, what's going down? Welcome. Corner are too highly valued. No, but that can't be true because the corner. No, it still works perfectly. Blue one. Switch the colors, maybe yellow and blue. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna do some prints so I can like do an analysis on like what is actually going on because this doesn't make sense. So that makes sense to me. What? I wanted to explain his reasoning. I needed to explain his reasoning. E, Hold on. Am I confident that it's even doing? Why are we not getting this print? Why is this print not showing up at all? There's something sketchy going on. Hold on. Hold up. RPause 2. Select evaluated position. Evaluate position. Oh, only the first one. My bad. Only the first one is evaluated. Everything after is random. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. It's classic noob errors, okay? If we change this to RPause 2, now we should get an actual evaluated match. Though it still doesn't make sense why it doesn't print the first evaluated print. It's still strange. Okay, here we go. Let's see what in fact, I want to slow it down so I can do a better evaluation. Because I think it's a little too fast. It's just high IQ play from blue. Okay. No. Jan Yu. To be clear, it wasn't random versus heuristic. It was the first move was a heuristic. Every move after that for both yellow and blue were random. Okay, here we go. I take it they're going to still do position 0 for yellow. I take it that's going to be first. I should really move where the timer is. Okay, good. That makes sense. That makes sense. What? No, that doesn't make sense. That's everything we were fighting against. Okay, I can see some logic in that. Okay, 10 seconds is a little too long. Oh, wait, I just missed one. Okay, at least they're going for some score. What? What? This is broken, yo. Blue again? Oh my god. Okay, yellow trying to do the comeback. Maybe yellow has some five-head strategy that is too five-head for us to realize. Okay, blue, I see you trying to dominate one face. Okay, yellow with the. Oh, yellow's about to win. Yellow's about to win. One more turn. If you don't block, where'd they go? Where'd they go? Intelligence is going here. That's intelligence. Anywhere else, this is a dumb AI. Dumb bot. Oh, wait, that's win. Wait, what am I talking about? That's game over. What am I talking about? I have many thoughts. I have many thoughts. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. This strategy from yellow was very intentional. I'm very impressed. However, what was up with. I have many thoughts. How is it three? It's one, two. You can't count? Come on now. Um, how the hell is this three? Okay. Hold up. Hold up. My friends, I have to disable human input because that can sometimes mess up the animations and all that stuff. I'm going to first disable that. Where's update? Update. I'm going to disable this. I'm going to disable that. I need to disable the clicks, so that's what I really need to disable. The clicks are going to be in this. I need to disable these. I need to disable this. I need to disable the mouse down. Okay. All right. No more human input. There's a fair fight. Here's more human input. What does this do? Oh, this is for the camera. These can stay. These are camera controls. Except for we don't need the evaluate anymore. Okay. I'm gonna run it back one more time. I'm gonna make it a little faster, just a little bit. This is a little boring. And I'm going to move the wait for seconds to be at the end. So I'm no longer noob. All right, now some predictions. If this is a heuristic, I expect because there's no random function to say like all these positions cost the exact same, pick one at random. There's none of that. So I expect it to like essentially do the same gameplay that it just did. That's what I expect. Hello? Hello? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I might have to reset Unity. What is this? What did I break? What did I break? Well, good news. It is simulating the same game over and over, even if I don't know how this is 3, but can I assume that it's just not doing the last animation? Can I assume that? I'm gonna reset Unity really fast. Sometimes Unity just be borking out. It has to be moving. Wait to end. Yellow was so good they materialized the point. I miss Koromon. Koromon was fun, but it was very difficult to get that data. Hello, my melanated brother. Right back at you, my melanated brother. That's my only guess. Wait, what did you guess, Sultan? What did you guess? I don't see your guess. I just see 40 type chess. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's run this back. Hopefully, yeah, it did it again. I don't know what. All I did was move this. Is that what did it, or was it one of the human inputs? What? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. Why does that have to be at the front? Does anyone know why that has to be at the front for this to work? I don't understand this move. I need you to tell me why is that move so valuable to you. I need to know. So we just did all the math to basically optimize out of that, and the immediate thing you do is just go right next to it. Function is recursive, right? So moving the wait to end causes all function to run. No, wait. What? Function is recursive? I don't understand. I don't understand, Cloud. Yeah, I don't understand. Right, right, right. Let me get some prints going. I must get some intuition on why the hell that is such a valuable position. Dot count. Okay, this is gonna give me. I need both the key value pair here. So now I come back to you, chat. How do I do order dot keys of I? I need it. 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 Element at I? Like that? Maybe? All right. I'm gonna figure this shit out, I swear. Wait, I can't do maximize. I need to see the. All right, come on. Okay, so first move, every single move costs 0. No, I see. So I'm not doing what I thought I was doing because these should not all be 0 because it's not taking in consideration what the score will become. So I'm messing something up there. Element at just pop back in. No clue what you're doing with this weird cube. Shouts to Preda. Shouts to Preda. If R pros 2 call you move, wait to the end. R pause 2 will keep calling R pause 2 without waiting. I don't understand how that can be true if rpos 2 yield wait return. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm dumb. Sorry, I'm dumb. Sorry, I'm dumb. Sorry. God damn, sorry. Okay, but back to the real problem. So the problem with this is that it isn't doing this step. It's not doing this step right here. It's doing what we had before, and I got to figure out why that is. So I'm going to evaluate position here, because that's where it lies. And I thought that doing this mod here was what was going to do it for us, but that's not the case. In fact, why does this not get printed? Oh, right. It's because if that current position is not on the board, then it's not going to be factored. So this needs to take place somewhere outside of. Can I just do overall plus this, since it's always going to be considered? Is that it? Like for loop. So outside of this, we would do overall plus, because it always needs to be considered no matter what. Is that it? Is that what I'm missing? We will know by the first move taken. I think we've done it. Look at that. 0 is 18. Why is 0 18? Why? Someone tell me right now, why is 0 18? Pop quiz. Why is 0 18? I actually don't know. It should be 27. Why is it 18? Italy. You are evaluating this, and so you go plus 6, plus 6. Oh no, I'm sorry. I thought they're valued at 9. They're valued at 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Duh. Yeah, 6 times 3 is 18. That's correct. That's the right number. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. And so all the corners, as we can see, now are valued much higher. 18 at the start of the game. Now we should see a real match. We should see a real match. I'm not convinced. 6 times 3 is 18. Yo, guys, I must know. I must know for real this time. I think we got it. I think we got it. Incoming poll. Incoming poll. Poll incoming. I don't know if you guys know this, but the poll is incoming right now. Yo, straight up. I need to know right now who you got your money on. For real this time. I think we done got the heuristics. Who you got your money on? Are you going for yellow? All right. Yellow's, look, to be fair, yellow's already in the lead. They're already in the lead at the moment, all right? Are you going for blue? You think blue is the underdog gonna do it again? You think the code is not quite there yet, and blue's gonna figure it out? Oh, get your votes in. Get your votes in. All right, we got 73% yellow. It's increased. But the underdog's going for blue. All right, let's run it. Let's see what happens. May the best color win. Come on, I'm so nervous, blue. Where are you gonna go? Blue? Bug, we got an error. We got an error. God damn it. Hold those bets. We gotta fix this error. What are you saying right now? Keys, element at, ordered, element at I. Wait, what? I don't even remember. What did I add this for again? I forgot. What did I add this for? I forgot. So this is, oh, I'm just printing. I'm just printing for what? Why the fuck did I add this? Print. Because I was trying to see the score. I was trying to see the score. And this breaks because why? Element at 0? It seems like the dictionary isn't structured properly. Look, I'm a lazy piece of shit, so I'm just gonna remove this and hope that it works. All right, let's do this. All right, hold your bets. 75% yellow. Okay, all right. We got some blue haters in the chat. Come on, blue. I'm so nervous. Oh, the exact opposite. Yo, we got a match. Yo, we got a match. We got a match. We got a match. Okay, corner. They're locking down the corners. They're locking down the corners. Yo, who's gonna take it? Who's gonna take it? Oh, they're locking down the corners. They're exact polar opposite strat right now. It's gonna get real. Yo, it's gonna get real at some point. Oh, snaps. Yo, you gotta do something. He has 2 in the bank. 2 points in the bank. Blue, what are you gonna do? Blue, what are you gonna do? Oh, okay. Interesting. Exact opposite. Okay. Yellow gonna take a point, obviously. Obviously gonna take a point, yellow. Yellow, where you at? Oh, yellow's just going for all. What the fuck? This is weird. Okay, they're gonna start cashing in now. Someone has to cash in. They took all the corners. Okay, now yellow's to cash in for the first point. Is this gonna be a solved game? I think we're gonna get our answer right now. Okay, blue got one. It's 1-1. I'm so nervous. Yellow got 2. Oh, I think that the blue lost. There's nothing that blue can do. Wait, that's a win. Wait, what the fuck? That's a win. Hold up, hold up, hold up. That's a score. Why is that not counting? Or it's just not blinking. I guess it's counting, it's just not blinking. Why is it not blinking? Uh, can someone explain what the hell is happening? They love the corners. Yellow won. I feel like this cube is about to explode or something. But isn't the exact opposite bound to happen every time since we penalize near? Or do you get something wrong? We will evaluate in just 1 second. I need to try and figure out why this is not blinking. Piece 18. So this is 62418. Is that in our configuration? Yo, I'll give a new explanation of what we're doing in 2 seconds for those that are new here. 6, 24, and 18. 6, 6, 6, 6. Where's 6? I did them all in order, so. Oh, do I not have that one? 6, 18, 24. I don't think I have that point in this. I missed one. Oh, no, I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna add it just to make sure, right? It's 24, 6, 18. That's bizarre that the rest would light up though. Sorry, I already know what it's going to look like. It's going to take too long. So I'm going to go and make the time shorter. Where is our pause 2? Where you at? There you are. There you are. There you are. Okay, so for those of you that are new and you're like, what the hell is going on? Why is there a cube with light bulb pegs in it? I will explain it to you. So, hey there. I just want to say I really enjoy your videos. Thank you, Dead Son. I appreciate that. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I'm going to say. Yeah, so based on our current heuristic, it seems that doing a symmetrical... What the fuck is this? This should not be blinking. What is going on? This is going to drive me insane. This is going to drive me insane. You do not have the means for scoring. Why are you blinking? This is piece 12, 24, and 0. I'll look at that code off stream. But decisively though, right? It is saying that yellow wins, right? 1, 2. I need to look at the code. I think I have some bugs somewhere in the code somewhere. I need to look at the code. However, where are we at? Yeah, I'll look at it. Where are we at? So for those of you that are new, you're curious to know what's going on. So long story short, I have this toy that I made many years ago. Where's my camera at? Give me 1 second. I have this toy that I made many years ago. It's called Sanjigan. It's a 3D tic-tac-toe board in which it takes 2 players to play. Here's a little case that it comes with. And you just simply pick a color, and then you play against your opponent. You put a piece in the board like so, and then you want to score 3 in a row, 3 times to win, right? And I had the opportunity to have a meeting with the manufacturer and present this to them, and they're really interested. But they said that in order for us to move forward, I have to prove that this game was solved, which just means that like it's possible for there to be a draw if both players play optimally. And it's not something I ever thought about. Went home, did the best I could to prove that it was solved. I actually proved the opposite, that it was not solved. And I could have lied to them and told them that it was solved and who knows what happened, but I was an honest man, told them that it wasn't solved, and they lost interest, and I have not touched it since. But I've always thought, like, was the game solved or not? I don't know. So now I'm just trying to write an AI of some sort to play the most perfect game as many times as possible and see if the game is solved or not. So far, it's looking like the game is not solved. And if that is the case, then we'll have to change the rules on the game to make it work, to make it more fun. One thing I'm thinking about is instead of 3 in a row, 3 times, I'm thinking you fill the board up, and whoever has the most points after filling the board up wins the game. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But right now we're having a lot of fun writing this AI, getting our ass whooped, and yeah, that's this project. I'm a game dev too. I love this idea. Shouts Dead Son. Thank you. Okay. My brain is like all over the place right now, mostly because this bug, I'm not sure where it's coming from, and I want to dive deep into finding this bug. Oh, I'm tripping. Yo, I'm tripping. Hold up. I was wondering why this one was flashing here, but it's because it's part of this point. I'm tripping, yo. I've been streaming for way too long. I'm absolutely tripping. Yeah, they're all connected to different points. I'm tripping. Uh, However, there's only 2 points on the board. I think that there's code where the game stops before it does the animation. Like the actual board state placed it either here, or there, but it doesn't do the animation. I think that's what's happening for the last point there. But it looks like everything else is pretty good. Now, to address what some of the people were saying in the comments, uh, who said that? Who said that? So Maximilian said, but isn't the exact opposite bound to happen every time since they're penalized being near the enemy pins? Or did I get something wrong? I don't know if they're penalized or not. That's a great question. So if we go back to this example here, they're definitely... No, you're right. You're definitely right. Yeah, you're definitely right. Okay, yeah. This is about as far as my brain has really thought in terms of this implementation. I'm now stuck in the thought process of if this is like as optimal as it gets, or if we can continue to tweak the heuristic to uh, what was I gonna say, to get even more optimal play out of it. I'm not sure, but I'll tell you what I can do. I'll tell you what I can do. What I can do is I can create a quick mode where it's me versus the AI and kind of like test it a bit. We can do that. But what I can do further than that is I can release uh, a build of this for you guys to play on your own time, and you can get your own notes if you want to. Um, I guess technically I can release the repo. Like it doesn't stop me from. I can just release the repo if you want to play with it. But first, let me just add this quick mode where I can actually play against the AI and see how that behavior changes. To do that, I just need to do this. I'm gonna player one. I have to add back in the input first and foremost, which is gonna be here, and then it's gonna be here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is to make the challenge even better, I'm gonna keep the heuristic player one, and you're gonna be player two. So if it really is as optimal as it says it is, there's nothing you'll be able to do to beat it. That's actually really good. Okay, sorry, I blinked out there for a second. Okay. To do that, I need to go back to here and then do rpos 2 wrong. Random position. Sorry, give me a second just to figure out where I'm at. This should be an E. I'm gonna change this into an enum actually. Versus H. Yep, that sounds good. Oh, I forgot to make a variable. Public Game type. Oh, this should be capital. And that should be lower. All right, game type equals random. Random versus random. Or I'll just do actually. Yeah, no one wants to watch random versus random. Let's be real. Okay. All right. The last video was so good. Thank you, Faya. I appreciate that. 1:30 a.m. coding. You know it. You know it. Yeah, I'm almost done here. I'm about to be done here. We're about to get off this stream. Nice. So self, I can input myself. Perfect. And then AI versus AI is going to be it. Good. Okay. And the final one is versus heuristic, which I haven't coded yet. Simply here, I just got to do if piece dot board dot if piece dot board dot game type equals versus heuristic and turn piece dot board dot display turn equals 0, then we simply just return. That's step 1. And then step 2 is going to be the update. If game type equals dot versus heuristic and turn display equals 0, then we're going to select, or what is it? It's like select evaluated position. Yep. Now I should be able to play against the heuristic now. Where do I find best work done when everyone is asleep? That is the truest thing you could ever say from your mouth. Where do I find info on the Discord? Jabrils.com. Can't miss it. And listen to JPV today. Okay, so the AI goes there. I'm going to go here. Where did the AI just go? Oh, they take another corner. I'm going to continue to disrupt. See, look. Okay, so the AI is going the other. They're trying to like get as many corners as possible. I'm just going to score. Okay, I have 1 point. They are still getting corners. Can I do both? Can I like get a point and score or disrupt? No. I'll take this then. Wait, why is that blinking, dude? That should not be blinking. In fact, where's the text at? What happened to the text? Why is that off screen? What happened? When did that happen? Why did that happen? I have no idea why or when this happened. Excuse me. Yeah, it says that I have 2 points somehow. I need to look into why it's bugging out like that. Because I definitely don't have 2 points. But it's my turn. They still have 0 points. So they have all the corners. But yeah, it says I have 3 points. That's not correct. Yeah, without fixing that bug, I won't really be able to do a good evaluation. 1, 2. I think that I must have. Let me see if I can find it again. Oh my god, look at that beautiful twofer. But I won. I actually won. Like for real this time. That is not the optimal strategy. I actually won. Like fair and square. You wasted one. Okay, my friends, the stream is coming to an end. I have many thoughts. The first one is I need to fix that bug. I think that there's one position, like there's one combo position that is incorrect in this array. And I don't know which one. I just have to keep on looking for it. But I'm pretty sure one of these are incorrect. Maybe two of them. I don't have a way to debug, look at all the numbers easily. So all I can really do is just try and get it again. Good. Dude, this heuristic sucks. Wait, objectively, I'm winning. I'm not even trying. One more move here. I won. Oh, wait, they already won? No, they didn't. Something's broken. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Wait, before I end the stream, this is gonna kill me. So I kind of have to. This is what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is check for winner. Check for winner. There's something where the end state ends. In game, where is it? Game active. There's something. Add wins. I know how to find it. Bruh, what the hell? Add wins. Game active. My brain is melting. I've been coding on stream for too long. Add wins. Remaining count. That's not quite it. What was I just looking at? Check for winner. It's probably in here. Okay, check for winner. Points.add. Board position. points, positions. Okay. Points. Points. Return points. Add to board. P. Glow. Yeah. So then it's probably about to be a mess, but my brain is melting. P. Ooh. Pause. PVP plus equals. Yep. Yep. All right, let's run that back. Full cam coding. Riveting content. Enhance. Almost 4 a.m. Oh, snaps. Yo, I forgot. I'm sorry. I've been forgetting the transit. I'm like tired and sleepy. I'm so sorry. Okay, wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm playing against AI. I'm trying to get it to print out win conditions. And it's not doing that at all. Cause I didn't say to. It's time for me to go to bed. I'm at diminishing returns at this point. If you're gonna full cam, at least pop out a plastic pool. What? Okay, 6/8/24. Good. I'm pretty sure. Can I confirm this is 6/8/24? This is 18, 24, and 6. Was that 6/18/24? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Okay, we have 2/14/25. And then 8/20 and 25. The game's still active, right? Oops. This is good. This is good. Maybe I'm just like hallucinating or something. Game's over. Game's over. They have 3. I might just be hallucinating. They love that 2-1 scoring, I swear. Okay, why is that not a point? Why is that not a point? Let me see. Finally, I can investigate. Okay. This is 21, 24, 9. 9, 21, 24. 9, 21, 24. Nowhere to be found. What the hell was I doing when I made this list? What the hell was I doing? 9, 21. I'm confident that there are maybe a couple of more lines that are not on this list and a couple of lines that are incorrect on this list. Okay, so that line is going to be at the top, straight across. Let me first remove this, see if we can replicate that. And then I'll add that line in, and then we'll see. Yandere style coding is amazing. It's my biggest inspiration, I must say. Simply code checks by using Bitmask. Yeah, that sounds like something I don't want to learn right now. Okay, confirmed. That's not in. You know what? I can write a really, well, I don't know how simple it'll be, but I can write an algorithm that will just place at every single win line. Now we're cooking. Let me check the bottom. Maybe the bottom doesn't have it. Okay, the bottom has it. The side has it. How in the fuck did I beat the AI without trying, dude? That is terrible. That heuristic, yo, we thought we were cooking with that heuristic. We sucked ass with that heuristic. Oh my god. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Like I keep beating it without even trying. Like this is sad. But I think we got close. I think we got close though. All right, gamers. Yeah. I can't seem to repo the mistakes at all. Okay, I'm gonna say this. The stream is coming to a conclusion here shortly. I'm just having a little fun trying to find this edge case. These edge cases, I should say. But if you want the open source code, whenever I publish that, I'm planning on publishing both the open source code and the executable. In case you don't have Unity or don't want to do all that BS, within the next couple of days, join the Discord. I will be posting it on there. I can't find these edge cases, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get both AIs to play against each other again. The heuristics. The heuristic algo should account for blocking enemy lines somehow. Yeah, I think that's going to be the last and final thing that we're going to attempt. But the truth of the matter is, as I said at the beginning of this stream, dude, Blue be whooping ass. Yes. Yes. Wait, what is this? Which point is this one attributed to? Which point is this one attributed to? Why is it glowing? This line makes sense. This line makes sense. Which one is this attributed to? It's not here. It's not there. 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 Why is this one glowing? I have all of them printed out. So let me first figure out what piece this is. First of all, where are you? You're here, I think. I think you're here. Yeah, you're this one. Okay. Here are piece 12. Okay. Back to our print. We have 6, 12, and 24. And that is the only one that 12 is a part of. So you're 12 or 6. 10, 24. Are you 6? No, you're 0. 24. Okay. All right. I think we found it. One of these has to be 6, 6, 12, and 24. Okay. Where is piece 6? So 6, 12, and 24. We found one. Okay. This is incorrect. This needs to be removed. 6, 12, and 24. You need to go bye-bye. All right. I think originally it was supposed to be 6, 18, and 24. I just didn't update the 12. Okay, good. So let's run that back and see if we get any difference. Yeah, we got to figure out how to add blocking to be valuable in the heuristic somehow. There it is. There it is. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. I feel good now. I feel good. I can end the stream on this. I feel good. I think we got out the bugs for the scoring. We understand where the heuristic is failing, which is good. Something to take a nap on. Come back tomorrow or the day after on. But I'm gonna end it on this. All right. Again, join the Discord. I'm going to. Yo, Stith, you're here. Yes, Stith, you've been getting shoutouts the entire live stream, thanks to your post on the Discord, we did a lot of changes, and we did fix it. However, we ran into another issue, and I'm going to show it to you because you came up with a good solution, or you at least did a call out. So this is the heuristic that we have, and the problem is that it values the corners maybe a little too much. And so it just first takes all the corners like in a mirrored match. And then they go for the center, both of them in a mirrored match. And then yellow takes just one of the edges and wins every single time. And what's the issue now is that they don't value blocking whatsoever. They just value being as greedy as possible. And that is because the heuristic, after you pointed out the issue down here, which is the first one would always incentivize it to be right next to him. What we did is we created this map, basically that incentivizes or places a base value for every single board type, position type, corner, and it was objective the way we went about doing this. It's not arbitrary. So this is +3 because this position, it touches 3 different lines, right? So it's 3. Naturally, this one touches 4, 2, 3, 4, and then naturally 6 because it's 1, 2, 3, and then there's another 4, 5, 6, right? So objectively, we assign these values, and then all we do is instead of the original, instead of the original +1, -1 for every single value, we just read from this map, +6, -6, this would be +3, and then we do the equation to see what the value is. And then the final element, or the final part of the equation, is that we also will add the value of, is that the right one? Yeah. We'll add the value of whatever position we're evaluating to that line, to each line, right? And it's working okay. It's working okay. But I think what we discovered is because these are weighted so high on the corners, all they do is they just like be greedy, try to get all the corners, and then they try and get all the centers, and then they try to get all the edges. And it's not optimal because as a human, I could beat the AI pretty easily, even with them having the first turn advantage. And so now where we're at is, do we continue to try and search for the most optimal heuristic? Because as Outer Cloud had pointed out, as you can see in the top right corner, we can use the Monte Carlo tree search algorithm to essentially discover the best heuristics for this game. And I think that might be what we're going to do on the next stream. I am ending the stream here, and I'm going to have a think off stream. Maybe an idea comes to me that I want to try with the heuristics. Maybe something comes to you where you understand what the issue is and you want to pitch in what you think might be the best solution for that, and it's good enough for us to try in the future. But at the moment, I think that next stream we're going to just go straight for the Monte Carlo tree search, because I have a lot of confidence that it will eventually figure out how to create the best heuristic for this game. And the whole point of all this is just to figure out if this game is solved or not. So it's not really worth us spending a whole 2 weeks to create the best heuristic when we're not even sure what that even looks like. We can just use artificial intelligence to solve it for us. So that's that. I am going to put this code up, the open source, as well as the executable. It's going to be up. I'm going to post on Discord within the next couple of days. I'm not doing it right now. I think I'm going to just go. I'm off to sleep now. And I thank you all for coming and hanging out. I thank you all for the super chats and the memberships. And head to Jabrils.com. There's a bunch of links on there. And I'll see you guys on the next stream. Join the Discord. Join the Discord.